I dug myself out of a grave for you.
Before it hits 12 noon, Sophia is mine.
What? Now with the breakout love team of the year, Enrique Hill and Liza Soberano!
Yeah!
Hello!
Well, talagang marami akong napapansin kasi hindi lang na-turn off yung microphone. So, nakikinig ko lahat ng mga usapan nila. Ang daming tao eh.
Ibigay kahit pagkalayan mo.
Miss.
Sorry, ano yun?
Maganda boses mo, ha? Last week, we showed you the teaser of our interview with Enrique Hill and Liza Soberano.
Nabitin ba kayo dun, guys?
Don't worry, because we are about to show you our full interview with this year's Breakout Love Team.
That's true. Na-interview ko sila, Chino. And I am now a Liz Ken fan. First time ko masampulan ng live chemistry nila. Alam mo, feeling ko talaga personally may something silang dalawa. Napaka-sweet nila. As in, kahit na hindi pa kami nag-roll ng camera. So basically, hindi pa nag-start yung interview. Ang sweet na nila. Kasi di ba syempre yung ibang love teams, pag kunwari interview yun, minsan may extra effort sila na magpakilig.
of course.
Ito, hindi pa nag-start yung interview. Ganun na talaga sila, naturally.
Very
Oo, sobrang nakakakilig and totoong-totoo yung, very, very true yung ano nila, yung sweetness nila with each other. So, I'm excited for you guys to see this. So, eto na, 1, 2, 3. Alam mo, you've been through a lot of love teams now, Leading Ladies,
Yes,
sa Good Vibes with Lynn Oimo, Mula sa
Yes.
Puso, Lauren Young,
Yes, yes.
of course, Catherine Bernardo,
Yes,
naging-
Julia Montes, Julie Barreto.
Yes, ang dami na. So, sa tingin mo, what makes Liza different from all your leading ladies before?
I mean, they're all sweet and lovable. Lahat naman sila. All sweethearts. Pero, siguro the people just saw something. Dahil may something. Medyo lang. Dahil parang may na-feel ata sila na parang may something tong dalawang to na iba na nakita. Siguro dahil mas natuloy yung
Alam mo, kahit ako, nararamdaman ko dito, na may feel ko.
parang may,
One feet
may
away
feels,
from
may
the, one
feels,
foot away.
may feels.
May feels. Liza, what can you say about Enrique's answer?
Ganyan naman po pala si Auntie niya. Sanay na po ako.
Joke lang.
30 days, dude. 30 days to make a girl fall in love with you. Sino? Siya. Before it hits 12 noon, Sophia is mine. What?
Dito sa movie, balik tayo sa movie.
Balik tayo sa movie, alright.
Your character, Drake,
Yeah.
made a bet to
Yeah.
make her character, Sophia, fall in love with Drake in a span of 30 days.
Yes.
So, in real life,
Yes.
what would you do, and how long do you think it will take for Liza to fall in love with you? Kung hindi pa nga nangyayari yun.
I think it won't take that long. Feeling ko. Lalo na kapag nakilala namin sa isa, na-explain mo yung buhay mo, yung buhay niya. Feeling ko, feeling mo naman. Hindi, feeling ko it wouldn't take that long.
Parang hindi kita babanglawan.
Ano nga yung mga gagawin mo to make her
Siyempre, yung mga gifts, mga simple gifts, mga memorable gifts. Tulad ng suot niya ngayon.
Letter E.
Oh.
Ano po, may explanation niya. Hope Elizabeth po kasi.
Yun.
Pero feeling ko may double meaning talaga siya eh. May double meaning yan eh. Hindi naman binigay yung necklace.
Yung birthday.
Birthday ko. When's your birthday?
January 4.
So since then, you've been wearing that necklace.
Hindi maganda kasi siya. At saka titin yung company siya. I think it's really...
Yeah, tsaka hindi na yan, may mga ibang nabili din ako ng basta. Gusto ko kasi yung tipong, yung nasasot niya,
Hindi ka niya yung
hindi yung tipong, yung makita what's malaki. Oh.
You've heard from the stars of Just The Way You Are. Now it's time to hear from the director, Direct Theodore Boboro.
Of course, Direct Ted is also responsible for the magic behind the movie. Hindi lang ng Liz Ken.
Correct.
And you know what? Considering how huge this movie is, how beautiful it is, sobrang humble pa rin ng Direct Ted.
good.
Ito guys, panoorin niyo.
First started working with him ng Good Vibes.
Mm-hmm.
Ever since before, parang hindi siya nagbago. The same director, super cool, super chill. I love directed. I mean, super.
Speaking of Good Vibes, nahawakan mo na rin noon si Enrique Hill. Hindi pa siya ganun kalaking
Yes.
Enrique Hill na parang ngayon. Dati, anak-anakan mo na yun. Enrique. So,
Tanda ko.
how did you feel na parang ngayon, nalaman nyo na i-direct nyo ang Liz Ken?
Ayun, parang reunion namin. Nung first meeting at nalaman niya ako yung director. So parang reunion lang namin. At syempre proud naman ako sa kanya kasi I saw him from way before when he was still starting. At hindi nagbago ang bagets. Down to earth pa rin, grounded, family person pa rin. So masaya ako for him.
And direct, nakatrabaho niyo rin sila sa Forevermore because you were part of Forevermore as well. So, kamusta naman po yun na nakatrabaho niyo sila doon, tapos ngayon, nasa film na kayo, and what changed?
Actually, yung Just the Way You Are, it started before Forevermore. So
Okay.
nauna kami and then after that, parang after the management saw the rushes, parang they felt the chemistry sobrang strong. So pinarush yung Forevermore. So in a way nakatulong yung Forevermore. Definitely nakatulong yung Forevermore because mas nakilala sila ng audience, tapos mas nahasa sila, nag-guide sila ni Direk Cathy Garcia Molina, the rom-com queen. So sobrang easy naging easy for me yung trabaho ko. Basically, what I told them is dapat iba yung makikita nila sa movie. We have to offer the paying public a different character.
Appearance-wise, makikita nyo yung difference, and also the way they act, siguro. Kasi si Agnes, she's a very big character, open to everything. While yung character ko naman, si Sophia Taylor, she's quiet and she likes to keep everything in.
Actually, mas malapit in real life yung characters nila sa movie sa totoong personality sila. Kasi dito nag-i-English sila sa movie. And then si Sophia, she really came from the States, introvert. So parang si Liza din in person, and then si Ken, confident ka. Na-heartthrob.
Oo nga, siya nga yun.
Siya yun.
Parang do you wanted to get to know us more? Parang sino ba talaga si Liza Sobrano?
Okay.
Sino si Enrique Hill? Ano ba pinagdadaanan nila sa buhay? What are they like? You know, just to get yung core namin, who we really are.
Yes.
So they can write a movie and write a story that they can, in a way, fit the characters with us. So at least when we do the scene, it's more mas personal.
Direk, bago ka namin pakawalan, syempre hingi muna kami ng konting interesting stories about Liz Ken na you can share. Yung mga interesting stories on set na napapansin niyo sa kanilang dalawa.
Well, talagang marami ako napapansin kasi hindi lang na-turn off yung microphone. So,
Oh my
naririnig ko
God.
lahat ng mga usapan nila pero bawal sabihin on cam. Pero yun, makulit si Ken. Tapos, pag ang cute sila, kinikilig ko pa sa kanila.
Malaking pressure ang i-direct ang Liz Ken because it's such a big love team nowadays and it looks like Direct Ted is doing a good job.
Don't go anywhere, guys, dahil hindi pa dyan nagtatapos ang ating Just the Way You Are special.
When Mixed Movie Date returns, we talk about the music aspect of the movie and of course the crazy red carpet premiere.
Opo, my forever talaga. My forever. Maniwala kayo.
Ang daming tao eh, no?
And speaking of love team naman, kung ikaw papipiliin ka na may sa love team mo, sino ang pipiliin mo?